In a bold move to expand its global SUV lineup, Renault has officially unveiled the all-new Renault Bridger Concept, a compact yet rugged SUV that previews the brand's upcoming generation of adventure-ready crossovers. Revealed during the Renault Group Strategy Day 2026, the Bridger Concept represents Renault's new vision for compact SUVs designed for global markets. It combines strong off-road styling, practical proportions, and a modern multi-energy platform that could support petrol, hybrid, and even electric powertrains. From the very first glance, the Renault Bridger Concept stands out with its bold and muscular design. The front fascia features a strong upright stance with an illuminated Renault logo, flanked by sleek LED daytime running lights that give the SUV a futuristic and confident appearance. The sculpted hood, aggressive bumper design, and rugged skid plates reinforce its adventurous character, while the pronounced wheel arches and thick body cladding highlight the SUV's off-road capability. Large alloy wheels and functional roof rails further enhance the Bridger's explorer-ready personality. Moving to the side profile, the Bridger Concept showcases a balanced silhouette with a slightly boxy shape that maximizes interior space while maintaining a dynamic stance. The high ground clearance, around 200 millimeters, suggests the vehicle is ready to tackle rough roads and challenging terrain. At the rear, the design continues the rugged theme with a bold tailgate, distinctive LED lighting signature, and a unique spare wheel mounted on the back, an element rarely seen on compact SUVs today, but one that adds a true off-road identity to the vehicle. Despite its compact size of under 4 meters in length, Renault designed the Bridger Concept with practicality in mind. The interior is expected to offer impressive space for passengers and cargo, making it suitable for both urban commuting and weekend adventures. According to Renault, the production version could feature class-leading rear legroom along with a spacious cargo area, making it one of the most versatile SUVs in its segment. Under the skin, the Bridger Concept will likely ride on Renault's new modular platform designed to support multiple powertrains. This flexible architecture means the future production model could be available with efficient petrol engines, hybrid systems, and potentially fully electric options depending on the market. This multi-energy approach reflects Renault's global strategy to adapt vehicles for different regions and evolving emissions regulations. The Bridger is expected to be developed and manufactured primarily in India, with the production model anticipated to arrive before the end of the decade. Once launched, it could become a key player in the rapidly growing compact SUV segment. With its rugged styling, practical interior, and flexible powertrain options, the Renault Bridger Concept previews an exciting future model that blends urban versatility with true SUV character. So what do you think about the new Renault Bridger Concept? Would you like to see this rugged compact SUV reach global markets? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive premieres and concept car reveals.